what's up too. This is my third video. There goes sleepy. I think it was those cookies. I don't know. But yeah. But yeah. This is something that I wrote. It's actually a poem, but I made it out of a song. So it's called "If Only I Was a Bird." If only I was a bird. But yeah. Yeah. Oh, but yeah, it's called "If Only I Was a Bird." Okay, so I hope you guys like it. If only I was a bird, just to be free, to leave this place and never look back. A bird has no limits, no boundaries. They go wherever they want. If only I was a bird, I would be free, just to be free, and the sky to be embraced, to feel the clouds on my wings for another day. Oh yeah, ooh, oh yeah, Brazil, Paris, Italy, and Alaska. Wait and see. When I spread my wings and let go, I will know to fly high in the sky and feel the wind on me. I If only I was a bird. Well, yeah, oh well. Something on my hands today, they're a little jittery. But anyways, that was my "If Only I Was a Bird" poem transitioned into a song. Yeah, hope y'all like